Now let's learn how to add multiple IP address to a computer. This computer already has an IP address, that is 192.168.0.2, and if I want to add another IP address, then simply click on Advanced button, then click on Add, then type the IP address which you want to add, 192.168.2.2. Simply click on Subnet Marks, then click on Add. In this way we add multiple IP address. If you want another, then simply click on this one, click on Add, then type the IP address, then click on Subnet Marks, then click on Add. In this way we add multiple IP address to a computer. This is the first one. Second one I'm going to teach you. Second one is you have to download a software, that is NetSetMan. You have to download this NetSetMan, and let's open this NetSetMan. In this, if you use this NetSetMan, you can configure IP address in this way. Simply click on this, click on the network one, then IP address. IP address is displayed here, and simply click on network 2, then IP address of another network is given here. If you use this software, you can access internet from network 2 also, network 1 also, but in the previous technique, you cannot access to internet from that by that method.